and welcome to Vermont Virtual's Geometry. Really want to welcome you to this geometry course. Geometry is one of my favorite subjects to teach because geometry is everywhere. From the shapes that you see to maybe some of the home improvement projects that you want to do around your home, you're going to use geometry. So I really hope that you find many applications to what you learned in this course throughout the year that you're taking it. So I really look forward to working with you on this experience. My name's Luke Coffey. I've been teaching at Bellows Free Academy in St. Albans, Vermont since 1992. I've been teaching online Algebra 1, Geometry, and Pre-Calculus for well over 8 years now for Vermont Virtual as well as Virtual High School. I'm very confident that you will be successful in this course because of your desire to be here. You wouldn't be here unless you want to take an online class, and you wouldn't be here unless you want to be successful. So I look forward to that opportunity. And first and foremost, I understand that you do have other things to do besides this online course. But that doesn't mean you can't be committed to the course. I do expect that you are attending class at least 5 days a week, that you're logging in and participating in an active role for 5 days. That could be taking a test, or it could be working on some of the new concepts in a lesson. But don't just log in and say that's good enough. I'm looking for more than just a login. I'm looking for you to be active. If you're ever going to be away from the class for more than 3 days, I do ask that you send me a note saying so, that maybe you're on vacation for a week or whatever the case might be. I'm very easily accessible. Most students will text me or send me an email message or send me a message through Canvas. Any one of those ways is fine. I will get it. Bottom line is, one of the biggest keys to your success, besides attending class, is communicating. If you have a question, on whether it's on a particular topic or something's not working, you need to let me know as soon as possible. Don't let it drag on. On our welcome call, you'll set up a pace chart and we'll figure out when you want to get it done by. And my job is to kind of help you reach that goal. So I'm never going to be upset with you because you missed a class or you missed. The person that should be upset is you because you've set that goal. I'm simply here to guide you to make sure that you are understanding the material and moving along at a reasonable pace. Another key to success in this class is maintaining a notebook. Just like you would in a face-to-face class, as you go through the lessons, I encourage you to keep a notebook that has examples, rules, problems, questions that you come across. But keeping that log of information is a valuable tool for you as you work on new material. You can look back and find a vocabulary definition, or you can find an example that is similar to the one you're working on. Keep a notebook. It's going to help you in the long run. Submitting your work on time. Don't finish an assignment and not submit it. Make sure you complete it. Make sure you put it in there, and if you have a lot of things stacked up, you'll lose track of where you are. So please follow the guide and make sure that you submit the assignments on time. The class has two different types of assignments. They have formative assignments and they have summative assignments. The formative assignments are worth 25% of your grade. And those assignments are typically the lessons that you're doing. There's an assignment for almost every lesson. You may resubmit those lessons as many times as you feel necessary until you understand the material. The summative assessments or assignments that are found, typically like a test at the end of a module or a quiz halfway through, are not. I'm giving you probably one attempt at that. unless I feel that maybe you should go back and redo it. But we'll have that discussion at a later time. Those are supposed to be quizzes and tests that show your understanding of all the work that you did on the formative assessments. So I'm not eager to show you or give you multiple attempts on those summative assessments. But like I said, everything's open for conversation and can have that conversation if need be. Hopefully you won't. So I'm looking for you to commit yourself. I'm committed to being the best teacher I can be for you. I know I have a busy schedule. I coach girls hockey during the winter. I'm involved with many different activities throughout the community. I'm busy with outdoor activities. I like to garden. I like to go on bike rides. I like to spend time with family and friends. So I know I'm busy. I know you're busy. Staying organized, staying committed to the course is the only way to go here. I really want you to be successful. Set the time aside each day for your class, whether it's at 9 o'clock in the morning or 9 o'clock at night or at 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't really care when you do the course, as long as you're attending the course on a regular basis and you're setting up a specific time for your learning, you're going to be in good shape. So with that in mind, I hope you have a great course. I really do look forward to working with you. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a great time.